Let's build a better org chart with Lucidchart. What you're probably used to in any org chart that you've run across in the past is what you see here, a hierarchical view of your organization that accurately depicts who is in what seat on the bus. We can improve on this and make the org chart into a planning tool for hiring in your organization. So we start off with adding a legend to our org chart that's color coded with the information that we want to provide in addition to the hierarchy of our organization. So let's say we want to represent hiring priority for our organization in the org chart, and we're going to use that using color codes. In this example, the first priority to hire positions are colored red. Our second priority positions are colored orange. Our third priority positions are blue, and fourth priority are green. So now we have a map of the organization and the order in which we want to hire. You'll see a little bit of hopping around in this org chart where some positions lower on the hierarchy are being filled prior to positions higher up in the hierarchy. And this is going to require some explanation as to why we're proceeding in this manner. So we add notes to our org chart that tells the person looking at it why we're hiring in this sequence. In this case, it's because we can get more momentum going by putting a skeleton crew together under the leadership of the CEO, and then later get more efficiency as the organization grows by filling in the other spots in the hierarchy according to the plan that we've put together. So our final view of the org chart, we have our title that explains what we're doing here, our organizational spots that are represented with the various stages in which we're hiring for the organization, and then our notes explaining why and how to go about filling in this org chart. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and useful in building your own org chart. However, if you want to skip all the DIY pieces and get my free template, just follow the instructions below on where to request that, and I will send it to you ASAP.